Hello, in this video I'll be demonstrating how to do target 8A, where I'll be completing uh, this timing diagram below for a positive edge triggered T flip-flop with the clear inputs as well. And let's assume this starts at 1 as it tells me right there. You see our value right here started at 1 in the green, and then as soon as it hit the clear right here, it would go straight to 0. That's our output value right here. And since this is a positive edge triggered, we only care about the clock cycles are right here, where the clock is going from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, as you can see right there. And then so our Q value is going to be 0 when clear is on or active. So clear is on right there. Our value is going to be at 0. And then so it finishes right here in the middle where there's no clock cycle right there that starts right there. So basically we'll just going to continue this line all the way to the end. And then from there we look at the next value. So T is at 1 and the clock is going up and clears at 0. So let's make this little table for T flip-flop. Basically, our output is going to be no change if the T is 0, and then it's gonna toggle if T is at 1. So since right here it's at 1, it's going to toggle, it's going to go up, and then so let's write toggle, and then this is clear basically. And so toggles, and then value is 1 right here, which means it's going to toggle again. So it goes down. Here's another toggle for this one. And then over here it's at 0, so it's going to no change. So let's write NC, no change. And then up here is going to be at 1, so it's going to toggle, so it's going to go up. And that's basically it. That's how we get the output value. And then our Q prime is literally the opposite of Q, exactly the opposite. As you can see right here, it starts at 0, it goes to 1, and then goes down to 0, and then up to 1. And yep, just like that. It's literally the same. And right here we have our characteristics table for a D flip-flop. So what for a D flip-flop, if this is a positive edge D flip-flop actually, since these arrows are going up, there's no not right there. So when set is at 0 and reset is at 0 and D is at 0, our output is just going to be 0. But if set is at 0 and set is at reset is at 0, and then our D value is at 1, then our output is actually going to go to 1. Now let's say we have 1 in the reset and 0 on set. That means we're not going to care about the D value and the clock values, and our output is just going to be 0. Where if we have it the other way, where set is at 1 and reset is at 0, and still the D and the clock don't cares, then our output is actually going to be at 1. And remember, Q prime is always the opposite of Q, so just 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, it's always the opposite. Now for a positive edge D flip-flop, if we have set and reset active or high or at 1, then our output is actually going to be invalid. So what's the opposite of invalid? It's also invalid. So both Q and Q prime are going to be invalid. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.